Hey there, electrical experts. Ever feel like you're juggling 1,000 tasks at once? You're not alone. Answering calls, chasing down estimates, and following up with customers can be overwhelming. But what if I told you AI can handle all that for you? Yep, you heard me right. AI is here to revolutionize your business. AI by EmployeesGPT is a game changer for your electrical business. Let's dive into how. Imagine this. While you're out fixing wiring and installing systems, EmployeesGPT AI Assistant is back at the office answering calls. Customers get quick responses and you don't miss a beat. Estimates? No problem. AI will call all the customers that you have emailed estimates to and follow up, answer questions without you lifting a finger. Plus, AI will schedule their service call. AI can send personalized messages to your customers, ensuring they're satisfied and even reminding them of future services. Now, let's talk about building your online reputation. AI can request reviews from your happy customers on Google and Yelp, boosting your visibility and credibility. More reviews mean more business. Simple as that. And here's the kicker, AI can do so much more. Scheduling appointments to providing training to your team, it's like having an extra pair of hands without the extra cost. So if you're ready to take your electrical business to the next level, give EmployeesGPT a shot. Trust me, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you've got any questions. Until next time, keep those circuits running smoothly.